Hey there, and welcome back, creative enthusiasts. Before you go and buy a program that's going to sit online unopened, let's talk about the pros and the cons of training for comics. And to stay up to date on reviews, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. First, let's talk about the pros. Training for Comics offers an extreme amount of training materials for comic book artists by some of the top professionals in the industry. It also provides the flexibility to learn at your own pace and access to it anywhere with an internet connection, not to mention the affordability of it. However, one major drawback is the lack of in-person interaction and feedback from a welcoming community.
Is anyone there?
And if you're like me, you're probably going to buy the subscription, you're going to do a few pages, you're going to get really involved, then you're going to think about something else you want to draw and forget about it. Now, I've been a member of Training for Comics, and I can say it provides a wealth of resources, but it can be difficult to receive personalized guidance and critiques without a live instructor. Additionally, you are limited to the opportunities of hands-on practice with an application for skills, which is very crucial for improving artists. Another potential issue is the lack of structure and accountability. Now, as you can see, I got excited and bought a variety of packs, and I learned that without structure of a live program, it's also challenging to receive personalized feedback and instruction without guidance and a community. Yes, I show my art to my friends and my family, and I get showered with compliments.
Mom.
And I'm super thankful for those. But does it provide me with the constructive criticism that I need to improve? Or does it just boost my ego a little bit to keep me happy and keep me drawing? That's why I believe my live one-on-one membership program is a better option for those looking to improve their art skills.
Yo, listen up.
The Artistic Avenger program provides personalized feedback and guidance from an experienced instructor, as well as the opportunity for hands-on practice and to connect with fellow artists such as yourself. That will provide you accountability and structure to maintain your motivation and stay focused on your goals.
Oh, yeah.
So with all that being said, Training for Comics is an excellent source for information. And if you can hold yourself accountable, I wish you all the luck on your artistic journey. And please tag me where I can see your work and your progress. However, if you're concerned about the limitations of a website-based platform, I do recommend my Artistic Avenger program to receive personalized guidance and to take your comic art skills to the next level. There are a variety of membership levels, and you can email me at the address down below or apply for a one-on-one free drawing lesson and see if you're a right fit for the program. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or email me directly. If you made it this far, I do thank you. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and helpful tips.
Subscribe now.
I hope to hear from you soon to see what you create. Until then, stay bradical.